Yes, my name is Shine Chivia and I'm the founder and CEO of a startup called Ipachi Capital. Now, Ipachi Capital is a financial technology startup that uses cutting-edge technology to innovate solutions with regards to commerce, banking, and payment. Now, our current flagship product is Ipachi mobile application. Ipachi, a Kalanga name, which means wallet. Now, a lot of people do ask me, what is it that inspired you to work on an application called Ipachi? What does it do and everything like that? Now, the solution is simple. Where I live or where I come from a village called Tome, where a lot of small businesses are having frustrations with regards to access of banking services. You know, there are not a lot of people who can get access to financial services such as credits or have bank accounts, even in deeper remote areas in Botswana. So this is not only a challenge from my village, but a challenge for thousands and millions of other small businesses across South Africa, Nigeria, or Africa as a whole. So what we decided to do was to find a solution that will help bring these small businesses in the informal sector into the digital footprint. So that is why we innovated our mobile application. Firstly, so that we give these small businesses a digital footprint. Now, once these small businesses have a digital footprint, they can be able to digitize all their activities. You know, a simple guy selling cool time into the streets, an owner of a tuck shop at Moboditani, somebody who owns a salon or a barber shop, they can be able to get access to things like having a bank account or having an account where they can store their money, have an account where they can save, and the process being seamless. I mean, these are small businesses who don't even have to get into banks to do savings, but they can simply get into retail stores and do things like savings at point of sales, savings pay change for their future benefits. Small businesses with our solution Ipachi mobile application can get access to things like business toolbox, where they can have digital point of sales, inventory features, things and like payroll that they can be using on day-to-day basis so that they can be able to manage their businesses. Now, the end goal here is not just to excite a small business with a digital solution or not to excite them with big jargons and stuff like that. Our intention here is to bring small businesses closer to banks and non-banks. That is, for example, saying, you know, if you are a barber shop or you are a tuck shop and you are in need of a loan from Stanbic Bank, you can use your reports generated automatically with a click of a button from Ipachi mobile app. Things like your income statement, balance sheet, your cash flow, your cash app reports. You can simply get those from your Ipachi mobile app, present it to your financial service provider like a bank, and then they can be able to give you a loan. This is because when you look into a lot of these small businesses around, they normally use notebooks to put their stock or to register their business activities. So sometimes these notebooks, they get lost. But with our solution, all the data is captured on the cloud. There's no way you can lose the data. The system itself, with our algorithms, it can be able to generate the statements. The user doesn't need to be an accountant or to know how to prepare a cash app report. The system does that on their behalf. Now, a small business can have a chance to get credit, therefore use the credit to be able to buy more stock in their business or to use this money for anything they intend to do, like restocking and improving their lives. So with our solution, because we're targeting the informal sector, the solution works very easy. Download the mobile application or use a USSD so that you can subscribe to the application. Register, and under 3 minutes you have a bank account and then get started to use our solution. That is how simple it is. We put our solution in a mobile application because we have looked into the market opportunity available around. We continue to see smartphone prices declining, the cost of data declining. This makes the adoption of our technology very easy. Now, when we look into the investors that are around, we are looking for investors that are able to put in money in our company so that we can be able to commercialize or to launch globally our product. With the 1,000 test subjects that we have done so far, this has been valid or proof enough to indicate that Ipachi is indeed a necessity for small businesses. Now, the money that we can get from angel investors, venture capitalists, or anyone rather, we would be able to use it to afford our team, to pay our payrolls, and to even buy or reserve as working capital for our startup. We are currently seeking for an investment of 400,000 pula in exchange for 10% equity share of our startup so that we can launch our product. Now, I believe that if you are listening to me, Ipachi mobile application is the next generation banking solution. It is the future for small businesses, and we are here to stay, and we are starting now. Thank you so much.